The RedMagic 11 Pro Plus is a powerhouse gaming smartphone that combines cutting-edge performance with a bold, futuristic design. It features a lightning-fast processor, stunning AMOLED display, and signature RGB back panel lighting. Welcome to my technological world. If you're new here, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Right out of the box, the RedMagic 11 Pro Plus feels like it belongs in the premium tier. The packaging is well crafted, with subtle branding and a satisfying heft when lifting the handset. The phone's build is strong: glass front, aluminum frame, and a stylish glass back. The edges are sharp yet comfortable, and the slightly curved back gives a good grip. The phone comes with a great rear camera setup. Two of the lenses are 50 megapixels, one wide lens with OIS, optical image stabilization, for sharper, more stable shots. The second 50 megapixel is an ultra-wide lens, which gives you broader scenery, group shots, or architectural photography. The third camera is usually a macro or depth sensor, 2 megapixels in many leaks, helpful for close-ups and portraits. Video capabilities on the rear are powerful 8K, or 30 FPS, plus various modes like 4K or 30 by 60 FPS, and multiple slower frame rate options, 1080p up to 120 by 240 FPS for smooth or motion-rich scenes. The selfie camera is decent in resolution, often around 16 megapixels, used for video calling, vlogging, and social media. RedMagic 11 Pro Plus has a massive battery capacity of 7,000 to 8,000 mAh, giving long usage before needing a charge. Display is large, AMOLED, likely high refresh rate, 144 Hz or more, which makes gaming and scrolling fluid. Hardware performance is top tier: Snapdragon Elite, recent generation chipsets, fast memory, and storage. Cooling features. RedMagic models often include internal cooling fans or vapor chambers, which help performance, especially under load. The rear camera combination is versatile and capable, the front camera solid for everyday use, and the back panel light adds flair and functional style. If everything performs as imagined, RedMagic 11 Pro Plus is likely to impress in both looks and performance. So guys, this new RedMagic 11 Pro Plus, I hope you like this video. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe, and hit the like button so you will receive our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.